Trevor's tired. I'm tired. I'm very tired.
Should we just go out there like right now and then make sure we have everything we need? Seems like kind of a waste to like really jet out there and not have anything cut. We could bring all this stuff and cut it out there. There's no reason we couldn't cut it out there and just be by the boat and everything. Is it raining outside? It's nice out. We could cut it in the gravel.
So it tucks up into the ceiling.
Up there.
We could trace that on some foam core. Do we have to keep that there?
Right, but
Ladies.
if I have the few.
Another piece of wood for the top, or yeah, it's a beautiful day, you guys, in the Pacific Northwest. If you can see ounces a day, at least, or something, right?
Am I? That makes any sense at all.
Yeah,
How wide is it over there? Less?
probably. You're a brave man. Yeah, I probably would want the bottom to half.
So, as you can tell, we came to the boat instead of doing it all at the house because we figured it'd just be easier and get us out of the house for a couple hours before we go to work. So that's what we're doing. Trevor's using the bathroom. He'll be out sometime soon. I'm gonna set this up to cut this, and you guys should see the progress. So we'll see. So we're not gonna do two different cuts and stick them together.
Yeah.
We're gonna do one big L piece, we decided. This is where the thing's gonna stop. It'll have its own little base and everything. We'll try and get done in the next video for that.
Yeah.
Having that all done, these will be done. These all get thrown back in, test fit, see how they look. And then everything, that's the last big thing we really have to do other than the wiring.
Well, yeah, and we're probably gonna redo some of this storage, or maybe try to figure out some kind of little storage along these walls, maybe below.
I actually have to put the backs of the chairs in too.
Yeah. What's gonna fall out?
The weakness on that fall out.
Oh. Yeah, dude. 20 bucks.
Ta-da.
Look at that. Just look at it.
We did it. All of our things in one little bit. Huh.
Look, guys, I got new tires.
They're proud of his new tires.
They're so meaty and nice and good for the snow and going up to the mountain.
Ladies like the meat. So do some of the guys.
All right, let's figure this out. Oh yeah, this will definitely be big enough. All right.
Yeah, because it didn't even go the whole length of this, and this is the whole length of that.
Well, so we can still do it this way.
Yeah, we just have to do one this way and one this way. And then, like, the middle spot will be open.
Yeah, well, and then here's the deal, though, also is one of these has to be skinnier, too, so.
Right.
One part needs to be
3 inches or whatever.
So, realistically, this one could go like that, right? Or no, the longer piece has to go, so the thick piece has to go here.
Right, and the thin piece has to be the one that goes this way.
Yeah.
So essentially what we need to do is go, was it this whole length we decided to do for it? So this is the inside, right?
Yeah.
Pencil, pencil, pencil. I made it out of clay.
All right, so we're trying to figure out how to make our little L shape.
Take a knee.
Yeah, take a knee. Right?
And we want it 4 inches, right?
Yeah, that's where it is. Look. Holy God! I know, it's not extra warm out right now. So this is the thickest shelf. This is our 4-inch shelf on the front of the bulkhead over the sink, right? This one right here.
Right.
So then we're doing the L that has to come out to here. So the L starts here then. You get what I'm saying? So this long piece is coming from, like, the sink is underneath this. Like,
right.
If this was up against the bulkhead, the sink is like right here. But
right.
for the part that comes off the other side of the bulkhead to make the L, that has to come to here or whatever. So
right.
this will be, it'll be like over here.
But we should do it on this side.
Why?
Just to that line.
Or yeah. So, or wait, my bad. So.
It's alright. Well, I'm just gonna use this.
Yeah, measure 3 inches and then.
Oh, let me just whip my dick out.
Yeah, hey-o. Nice warm day in the Pacific Northwest.
Sunny day.
Nice 24-mile-an-hour wind day. We're about 40% mental capacity today. We're like not on it at all.
We can get this one tested. If it fits, so you just outline it.
If it fits, it ships. But here's the thing, this outer piece, look how like not straight that is. Because we use that as a, you know.
That's still the outer piece though, not the inner piece. The inner piece is the important part. The outer piece doesn't have to be perfect. The inner piece up against the wall has to be the...
Why wouldn't we want the outside of the shelf to look really nice?
It'll still look nice. I promise you.
Alright. God damn it, Henry. You're so out of it today. It's ludicrous. Take your time to put it in there.
Don't fuck that up.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna lightly go. That moment of truth, I guess. That's a corner. That's an L.
That is an L.
The question is, are we taking an L doing this? Or is it a W, Trevor?
Well, so wait, this has to go... Yeah, this would be right, because then we flip
Yeah,
it
you
over.
just have to flip it over. So,
I mean, hypothetically, this should work correctly.
life's full of hypotheticals.
Yep.
We can cut that one, test it. If it works, just lay it up here and...
Yeah, and then we can clamp this down to use for our thing to run up alongside our circular saw
Oh, okay.
to make a nice, like, super straight line. However do you clamp it? However do you feel? Cool. All right, let's give her a try.
Yeah, I can buy more wood.
Yeah, I just don't want to waste when we don't have to.
With all of our money we're making on unemployment?
Yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're way far.
Wayfair.
Wayfair, you got the children I need.
It's not doing a very straight cut.
Oh. Yeah, look at that. Would you just look at it?
Don't say we did it because we're not done yet.
I know.
I can't hear shit.
Yeah, it seems. Why does it seem louder? Because we're like colder and everything's kind of more like tuned in. It's cold out here. There must be some wind fronts in the atmosphere.
Pretty sure. That's how it works.
That's how I heard rumors.
So we know this side's straight, or at least it should be. If using lasers, but fuck, stop.
Oh yeah, it's going to go this way.
So we have this over here. Need this to be.
You could probably plunge in maybe where we think it like should be.
So that right there should be good the whole way. It looks straight.
It seems pretty good.
Focus Trevor face. Sawdust in his eyes. I watched that right when I put the camera on you too.
Yeah, it was
a
close.
piece of debris is like whack.
Measure 57 times, cut 4 times.
Yep. And then buy more wood. Cut again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to plunge it.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, a little bit more. Oh my god, why does it seem so much louder than normal? I feel like I'll like never be able to hear again.
I know, it's
God
trying to do some good
damn.
orders. I'm sorry, I can't hear
Seriously, like why does that seem so much louder? Huh. What? What?
shit. You like the ink of my hat?
Yeah, for Henry.
Yeah. So it's right here, right?
Yeah, but we got to finish that off a little bit.
With the jigsaw.
No,
Yes.
it'll work fine.
This will also work fine.
I suppose. Unless the battery dies. Does this have battery in it?
Yep. I didn't get any of that.
It's on. It's filming, I think.
I just didn't get getting you.
Why does this seem like? Oh, we didn't actually measure.
You didn't measure it. You gonna measure it real quick? Let's probably measure it real quick.
I don't like having to hold that. Would you mind? Prop it.
I'm not gonna shake it for you, Trevor. That's what I was worried about hitting.
Oh yeah. Woo, okay, all right. Well.
I was like, I don't want to hit.
Ah! God damn it. Did we get that on film?
Yeah, it's still recording. I don't know what I saw because I panicked when I watched it roll off the thing.
This is like our worst camera work of like almost any video we've done, I feel like.
Oh, that's fantastic though. It's great for the peeps. You want to put weight on that just so it doesn't sit on it and spin.
All right.
We did it.
All right, boys and girls. The moment of semi-truths.
Right. You going up for one? No, oh, it's right. That's not right.
Oh, wait.
Oh, we're not all the way.
Oh, we're a little off.
Right here.
I guess, yeah.
Right.
And then it'll just have to meet over there.
Right. All right.
All right, so this is what we think we figured out. We're gonna cut into this mark over here and then meet it up with this other edge. And that should save this one piece idea, although albeit it'll make, you know, the shelf a little bit smaller over on this side, so.
Not enough to really notice though, I don't think.
Yeah.
But at the same time.
Well, if anything, this could be a better representation of the interior part of the shelf fitting perfectly. And then we could use another piece, if we do use that other piece of stuff, and we could bring it out over here by like a ½ inch or a quarter inch and then meet up here, and then it would be perfect. So
We'll find out.
we're figuring it out.
Just when I could hear again.
All right. All right, let's give it a try.
All right, so we got the 1L done.
Yeah, we have a shelf.
It's not perfect. There's a tiny bit of
Wiggle room.
but it's gonna be 3M 4000, and we're thinking little tiny L, like 90-degree little boop 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 mounts to hold it up, and probably do a steel plate on the back side of this to help hold them in place too. I think would be a good idea.
Yeah, or something on the bottom for magnetic tops or something, or spices, or.
Right. Well, we can figure that out when that time gets here. The biggest thing is getting this on. We know that'll work, so we can use that. We can use that as the stencil. It's good enough to use as a stencil. For the other one, there'll be another one up here, where this black strip is, or a brown strip. And then, yeah, paint those. This will attach to the box that's gonna go here. I gotta finish up. It'll probably be in that video as well. Put them all together, see if it fits. If so, move on to wiring just in the perfect time for cold months.
Yeah.
Unless Trevor gets his van, and then that would be the winter thing for part of the winter time.
Yeah.
So, all right, we're not gonna go get food. Anything you would like to add?
No, I think solid progress. We'll have to adjust these just a little bit, so the shelves are true, I think.
I think rounding that corner would be a good idea too. You don't want to slam your head in.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, having them rounded a little bit would look good, I think. Could put just like a little row of like trim to kind of hold stuff in place a little bit too, maybe. It's like a little.
Well, the thicker side is going to be big enough to put like the tins or whatever. We can also just find measured ones and that fits in that measurement.
Yeah, that's true.
So.
Let's get some plastic stuff.
Back to the house because we both work. If that's what you want to call it. We're only doing to goes because, yeah, I'm not going to get into that at all.
Cool. Are you saying pan or Pam?
Pam?
Pan or Pam?
Is it Pam? It's just staring at your crotch, Trevor.
Good. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Do the stanky leg. What is it? Righty tighty? Lefty loosey?
Hey.
Brr.